welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail Channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make an Alabama Slammer. Now the Alabama Slammer is apparently the official unofficial drink of the University of Alabama. This drink also appeared in the movie Cocktail with Tom Cruise. Gotta admit, I've never had an Alabama Slammer, so I am looking forward to trying this drink tonight. Now, to make the Alabama Slammer, what you will need is gin, Southern Comfort, orange juice, Amaretto and grenadine. You'll also need a shaker of some description. I'm just using my protein shaker because I don't have any fancy tools on Goochie's Cocktail Channel. So, first things first, we will need a shot of gin, a shot of Southern Comfort, a shot of Amaretto, three shots of orange juice, and half shot of grenadine syrup. Put the lid on, and then we shake. Right, this drink is now shaken. It's now time to pour. I should add a garnish, so I'm just going to add an orange peel. And voila, we are done. This is an Alabama Slammer. Bottoms up. This is actually quite good. I can definitely taste the Amaretto, and I'm not a massive fan of Amaretto, but the rest of it really works. The combination of orange juice and grenadine is always amazing. I really love Southern Comfort. Can't even taste the gin, but I am getting that taste of Amaretto. If you're not a fan of Amaretto, I would suggest that you perhaps halve it or just avoid it altogether. But you know what? This is actually quite good. I like the Alabama Slammer. I think Tom Cruise was onto something there. All the students of Alabama University. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Ciao!